23 Google products and services that died in 2019. Like every year, in 2019 too, Google shot down several of its products and services. While few were few years old, the list also includes some decade-old products. The reason for most is lack of traction among users. Some are those who lost relevance after newer tech and platforms coming over the years. Here are 23 major products and services that Google killed in 2019. Starting with YouTube Gaming 2015 to 2019. Launched in the same year as Chromecast Audio, YouTube Gaming aimed to bring live and recorded game streaming videos to the masses. Failed to get enough traction, the service too became part of products killed by Google earlier this year. Inbox by Gmail 2015 to 2019. Launched in 2015, Inbox by Gmail app worked similar to Gmail but was largely a testing ground for new features. Most of these were eventually integrated into the Gmail app. Google Plus 2011 to 2019. Started in 2011, Google finally pulled the plug killed on its Facebook rival Google Plus social networking website earlier this year due to poor traction and user engagement. Google URL Shortener 2009 to 2019. Launched in 2019, Google URL Shortener joined the list of products killed by Google earlier this year. Google URL Shortener converted long URLs into short ones so that could be easily shared. Google Allo 2016 to 2019. Allo social networking app is among Google's most short-lived products. The app was Google's attempt to take on rival instant messaging services like WhatsApp. Chromecast Audio 2015 to 2019. Introduced in 2015, Chromecast Audio hardware device was killed earlier this year. It allowed users to stream audio from any device to any speaker with an audio input. Aereo 2017 to 2019. Another short-lived service, Aero was shut within 2 years of its India debut. Google Aero aimed to make it easier for users to get in touch with various local services. YouTube Messages 2017 to 2019. Another Google service killed this year is YouTube Messages. As the name suggests, the direct messaging service was an attempt to make video sharing and chatting easier on the platform. Google Daydream 2016 to 2019. Google Daydream was shut earlier this year, almost 3 years after its launch. The virtual reality platform that worked on certain Android devices could never took off in a massive way. Google Clips 2017 to 2019. An action camera-sized hardware device, Google Clips was launched in 2017. The AI-powered camera attached with a clip recorded photos and videos that it thought were worth. Google Trips 2016 to 2019. Google Trips saw its end almost 3 years after it was launched. A handy travel app, it aimed to help users better track their travel plans. Blog Compass 2018-2019. Google's Blog Compass helped bloggers manage content, thanks to integration with WordPress and Blogger. Google Cloud Messaging 2012 to 2019. Google Cloud Messaging was a notification service that allowed developers to send messages between servers and client apps running on Android or Chrome. Google Spotlight Stories 2013 to 2019. Launched in 2013, Google Spotlight Stories included several visual animated stories and content for the mobile virtual reality headsets. Google Jump 2015 to 2019. Google Jump was a cloud-based VR solution that allowed developers to create 360 content in 3D with automated stitching. Dragonfly 2018-2019. Shuttered within a year of its launch, Google's Dragonfly was the company's search engine specifically designed for China. G Suite Training 2013-2019. Previously known as Synergies, G Suite Training, as the name suggests, was a video-based training for 20 Google G Suite products in different languages. Follow Your World 2011-2019. Follow Your World was a feature for Google Maps that allowed users to register a point of interest and get alerts later the imagery is updated. Daytally 2017-2019. Daytally is an app that helped users save and manage their mobile data. Google Bulletin 2018-2019. Google Bulletin also stayed available for a year before being killed by Google. The news service allowed users to share news and letting others in the same area hear those stories. Google Fusion Tables 2009-2019. Google Fusion Tables was a web service for data management, which means it allowed users to gather, visualize and share data tables with others. The service won't be available after December 3. Google Translator Toolkit 2009-2019. The web application allowed translators to edit and manage translations that were generated by Google Translate service. Google plans to shut this service by December 4. Google Correlate 2011-2019. Google's Correlate service helped find search patterns which correspond with real-world trends. The service will be shut on December 15 as per the info on its page.